In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Audiolab app. So if this app is not working on your smartphone, you can't use it and even open, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of methods you can use to troubleshoot this app. In the first method, you need to access the app info page, and you can simply do this by going to settings. And from settings, look for apps, and under apps, look for manage apps on your Android smartphone. Scroll down until you find Audiolab app is here, and you can see we are on the app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and then look for your app, and once you have found it, go ahead and don't press on it, and you should see app info. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will take you to the same app info page. In the first method, we want to clear the app data, more especially cache data. So if I tap on clear data here, you can see we have two options: clear all data and clear cache. Go ahead and choose the second option, clear cache, and okay. And this will clear all the cache data on your Android smartphone. So when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience. However, accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So once you have cleared these cache files, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your app, and it should now work normally. However, if this does not work, again come back to app info, and this time around go ahead and tap on clear all data and okay, and you'll have to log in afresh for you to use this app. At this point, everything should be okay. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then you need to go ahead and look for any update of your app, either through Google Play Store or App Store, to find out if we have an update. So I'll go to Google Play Store and look for my app. As you can see, I don't have an update, but for your case, should you find we have an update, go ahead and update it to the latest version to start using it. However, should that not solve your problem, then your app might be containing a bug. You need to go ahead and uninstall the app and then install it afresh to start using it. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to solve any issue related to Audiolab audio editor recorder. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.